ito yung part na excited ako. Yung pagre-refill ng mini refrigerator at paglalagay ng mga new skincare products that I have purchased at yung mga existing skincare na meron ako. First is the toner from Skin1004. Daily toner ko to. 400 ml para pang matagalan na. Brightening Ampoule. Pore minimizing gel cream from Skin1004, hindi ko pa nagagamit. This one, Purity Sun Essence from Face Republic. Lightweight, best for all skin types. Ganda. Glow Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Ito yung current na ginagamit ng mga anak ko. Yes, gumagamit sila ng soothing gel at night. This one, Kiehl's Oil Control Cream. Hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. By far the best moisturizer that I've used. From Klairs, the vitamin E mask. This one is shared to me from Medipil. Yes. From last year's collaboration. Hindi masyadong maganda guys, pero sayang din. Kaya kinikip ko siya. It's a pimple patch. This one are eye creams na free from one of my purchases. This sets of freebies from Skin1004. Ito yung gusto ko sa Skin1004. Maraming free. Lalo na kapag gradual mo siyang bibilhin. Hindi yung bulk. Para mas marami kang free. This one, meron akong foam cleanser. Meron akong tea tree toner, which I haven't tried yet. And probiotic cream. So, meron akong pang-travel size. Hindi na ako magdadala ng mga bottle versions of these products. Dr. Ruto's Terra's Firming Mask. In one of my collaborations, I think last year, I have this one. Parang dalawang box kasi yung pinadala sa akin. So, hindi ko naubos agad. This one is for sagging skin, lalo na sa face. So, this helps at least lift and tighten your sagging chin. Another face mask is this one from Riwe International. The Consensus Face Mask. For him, merong for her. So, this one pang lalaki, tapos yung pink naman ng packaging is pang babae. So, kasama sila with this Pore placenta. It's a stem cell capsule. So, if you're interested, no approved therapeutic claim. It's a food supplement, but maraming good testimonials of this product. In one of my collaborations as well, this one is the Hydro White. This is a teeth whitening pen. So, ito yung ginagamit at nilalagay sa teeth bago gamitin itong teeth mask na may LED light. So, that one is responsible for whitening the teeth. So, tagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit. Kinikip ko lang sa ref. I have the Physiolab. It is a cream na nilalagay ko on my brows yung machine hair strokes ako sa aking brows. This one is a gua sha. Nung binili ko siya, gamit ko siya, but lately hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. Eye drops, I have Eyemo, and this one, a Japanese brand, nakalimutan ko ng pangalan. Kinagamit ko lang siya pag mahapdi at namumula ang aking eyes. Kung kulang sa tulog, nangangate, at medyo dry ang aking eyes. And I think that will be all. Ito na lahat. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.